Hello, today I'm in Opel Vivaro. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In order to use voice assistant, press this button on the steering wheel.
To begin, say a command after the tone.
Increase temperature.
Sorry, this command is not supported.
Also, you can connect your smartphone via Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. And use voice assistant from your smartphone. What's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Razaska it will be mostly cloudy, with a high of 8 and a low of 0. By the way, next time you can also press and hold the mic button on your steering wheel to ask me anything.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.